So finally I bought a new pressure cooker for my wife. I'm super excited to show this new pressure cooker to my wife. As you can see, this is a all-in-one multi cooker. This is a slow cooker, a pressure cooker, and at the same time you can even cook as a rice. I mean, there's also a rice cooker. The good thing is that there is 6L, I mean 2-year warranty, as you can see. I got a new pressure cooker for my wife. So what are you thinking? What is your like? I already opened it because I was making an unboxing video, but my wife really didn't know what it was. So what is this?